Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Chainlink link from your Coinbase wallet to Exmo in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process is designed to be secure and efficient, so let's dive right in and get you set up in no time. First off, before we start, make sure you have a few things ready: an active Coinbase wallet account with Chainlink tokens, an Exmo account to receive them, and two-factor authentication enabled for extra security. This will help prevent any hiccups along the way. Step 1. Open your Coinbase wallet app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and locate your Chainlink linked balance. It's usually under the Assets or Portfolio section, easy to find. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw or Send button next to your Chainlink tokens. This will prompt a new screen where you'll enter the details for the transfer. Step 3. In the withdrawal form, select the network for Chainlink, typically Ethereum, as it's the main one in 2025. Then, paste your Exmo wallet address. Double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. It's crucial for the funds to land in the right place. Step 4. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, which might be around 1 to 5% depending on blockchain congestion. Review the total to ensure it fits your budget. Step 5. Hit Confirm and follow any additional verification steps, like entering a code from your authenticator app. Once approved, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. Now, sit tight. The transfer could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour in 2025, thanks to faster networks, but keep an eye on your Exmo account for confirmation. A pro tip: always use a VPN on public Wi-Fi and never share your private keys. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Chainlink from Coinbase to Exmo. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.